Hi everyone! Alam niyo ba na walking is one of the most underrated exercise you can do to lose weight and tone up? This year, aside from eating on a deficit and hitting the gym, I included walking sa fitness commitments ko and hit those 10,000 steps daily. Why walking? Well, it's low impact and it gives significant results if you do it consistently. Okay, let me be honest ha. Running is really not my favorite kasi.
Almost 30 minutes pa lang tayong nag-jog. Pagod na ako. Pero let's push.
That is why I resort to walking dahil I feel less tired while doing it. January of 2024, I started with 3K steps per day as my commitment. And now I am proud to say that I am hitting around 14K steps per day. But don't be pressured guys, hindi mo naman kailangan biglain yan and hindi kailangan 10K agad pataas. Just start somewhere and it will do wonders on your body. Another good thing about walking is it strengthens our heart, it lowers blood pressure, and it helps with cardiovascular system. Plus, isa din ito sa nire-recommend ng mga doctors pag may type 2 diabetes ang patient nila. It may look easy and boring gawin, pero super beneficial talaga ng walking. Another good thing about walking is it's free and less risk for injury. If meron man ako i-recommend na exercise for people starting with fitness, walking talaga. Kasi you don't have to be trained to do it. Literal na gagawin mo na lang everyday, then papayat ka na. Ako for extra challenge, I do steps sa treadmill na naka 12 incline tapos 3.5 speed. Also, since mataas na yung committed daily steps ko, naka-schedule na siya sa araw ko. I make sure that I hit half of my steps sa umaga while I walk with my kids to get their morning sunshine.
Good morning, everyone! Let's walk!
Then sa gabi naman, I call my kids again sa labas para mag-bike naman sila while I walk or maghabulan na lang kami. Last on my list, and ang pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat, walking relieves stress. Walking helps you get those endorphins and other good hormones, and I know mommies, isa talaga tayo sa pinaka-stress na tao sa lahat. And walking can help you calm your nerves, give you that alone time, mag-relax ka, makinig ka ng podcast while walking, and it's super duper perfect to end the day. Kaya fellow mamas and friends, start walking and make it a part of your routine this Fit Mass with Judy. See you on the next video!